Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airtable for brand project management and approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Airtable website at airtable.com. Locate the sign up button on the homepage and click it. You will have options to sign up using your email or a social media account. If choosing email, enter your address and create a password. Then, click on the sign up button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Airtable. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Airtable website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to choose a workspace. You can either select a pre-existing workspace or create a new one. To create a new workspace, click Create a new workspace. Enter a name for your new workspace focused on brand project management. Now it's time to choose a plan that fits your project needs. Explore the pricing options displayed and select the one that the free plan offers basic features, while paid plans unlock advanced capabilities. Once you've selected a plan, follow the prompts to enter your payment information. After completing the payment process, you'll gain access to your selected features. You will now see an overview of your new workspace. From here, you can create your first base for project management. Click on Add a Base, then choose Start from Scratch or use a template. If using a template, search for one suited to brand management. After selecting, you can customize it according to your project's specific requirements. Add tables for tasks, approvals, and team member assignments. Invite team members by clicking on the Share button within your base. Enter their email addresses and set their permission levels. Now, start populating your base with relevant data and tasks. Utilize Airtable's powerful views to manage projects effectively. By organizing your workflow, approvals will streamline. Monitor progress using the Kanban, calendar, or grid views. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.